Hello everyone. Today my topic is petrology. Petrology is the study of rocks, including their composition, structure and texture. And next topic is rock cycle. Before rock cycle, we need to know about what is rock. A rock is a natural substance composed of solid crystals of different minerals that have been fused together into a solid lumps. Minerally may or may not have been formed at the same time. Most of the rocks today on the earth are 100 million years old. Rocks are naturally occurring, solid collection of mineral grains and chemicals. What is rock cycle? The sequence of process in which rock changes from one form to another and destroy and again formed by various geological process is called the rock cycle. First of all, rocks are destroyed by weathering and erosion and also flooding. After destroying, the rocks are transferred one place to another. And this is the geological process. First of all, what is weathering? Weathering is the process in which rocks is broken down into smaller pieces by the effect of wind, water and change in temperature. And then what is erosion? Erosion is the process in which weathered rocks is transformed from one place to another by wind, water, ice or gravity. And this is the rock cycle. There are three types of rocks. One is igneous rock, second one is sedimentary rock, and third one is metamorphic rock. And next topic is classification of rocks. Classification of rocks are geological classification, physical classification, and chemical classification. In geological classification, there are three types: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic. And what is igneous rock? Igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of magma below the earth surface when the magma is unable to erupt through the earth surface during its upwards journey. It is held up below the earth surface and unable to descend. This magma cools down gradually and solidifies into igneous rock. That means this type of rocks are formed when magma lava cools down. When magma cools down inside the earth slowly and it creates instructive igneous rock. And slow cooling process allow the large instructive crystals to the igneous rocks include basalt and garnet. What is sedimentary rocks? Sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments obtained by the weathering of pre-existing rocks, and these sediments are transported by various agents such as water, wind, frost, gravity, etc. These transported sediment form layered structure and gives rise to the sedimentary deposits. That means the sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediment that is deposited over time, usually as layers at the bottom of the lakes and oceans. These sediments can include minerals, small pieces of plants and other organic matters. Sedimentary rock forms layers called strata. Examples: sedimentary rocks includes limestone, sandstone, mudstone and chalk, etc. Sedimentary rocks are very soft. What is metamorphic rock? Metamorphic rocks are formed by the metamorphism process. Metamorphism is the process of changing the characteristics of the pre-existing rocks under the influence of heat and pressure. The pre-existing rocks may be the sedimentary or igneous type of rocks. Metamorphic rocks are changed in physical or chemical form from older rocks. Heat and pressure inside the earth cause older rocks to change into new ones. It can be formed from sedimentary and igneous rock. And these are the examples: slate, gneiss, schist, marble and soapstone. that minerally may or may not have been formed at the same time. Most of the rocks today on the earth are 100 million years old. Rocks are naturally occurring salt collection of mineral grains and chemicals.